Hello everyone, today's menu will be baked chicken thighs. They're so delicious and full of wonderful flavors. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Make sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. In this bowl I have olive oil and I'm going to add in Parmesan cheese, rosemary, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, dried basil, smoked paprika, and then I'm going to give it a good mix to combine well. Here I have chicken thighs and I'm just going to pour some of the mixture and then give it a good massage. Make sure to get under the skin too. Then flip it and do the same on the other side, using all of the mixture. After, sprinkle on some salt all over, plus the skin side too. In a large cast iron over medium-high heat, add in the butter. You can use a non-stick skillet too. When the butter is melted, place the chicken skin side down. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After a couple of minutes, flip to the other side and cook another 4 minutes. Lower the heat if needed. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towels. Continue the process. After all the chickens is slightly cooked, place all the chickens back in the cast iron and place it in the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. If you don't have a cast iron, place the chicken in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil. You can remove the grease if you would like. Here is the end results of the baked chicken thighs. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!